Exercise 7. Yet another exercise from my 7th set of practice exercises on the SAT. This time, it's about a line passing through 2 points. So the exercise goes as follows. Which of the following is an equation of the line in the xy plane that contains the points 2, 5, and 6, 13? You can clearly see that I have split the screen in two parts because I will solve this exercise both algebraically and geometrically. Let's start with the algebraic process. We are given 2 points, so we're given point 2, 5 and 6, 13, and we need to find the slope-intercept form. We know that the slope-intercept form of a line is the form y equals mx plus c. All that we need to do is find m, which is the line's slope, and then let's determine the y-intercept. With regards to the slope is given by the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and that would be equal to 13 minus 5 over 6 minus 2, which is equal to 8 over 4, which is equal to 2. So we are looking for a line that goes like this, 2x plus c. This means that I should already reject c and d. In order to find the value of c, I need to get any of these points and substitute its coordinates on that line's equation. Because through theory, I know that a point lies on a line when its coordinates satisfy that line's equation. So for x equals 2, y should be 5. 5 is 2 times 2 plus c, so 5 is 4 plus c, which obviously leads to c being equal to 1, and therefore the line would have an equation 2x plus 1. A would have been the right answer. Now, let's check. Let's go on the right part of the screen and let's try to solve it geometrically. I want to see which one of these two lines passes exactly through these 2 points. So, my thought is this. I will begin by plotting these 2 points. So, I'm going to say point 2.5, let's label it by A, and then I'm going to put point 6, 13, and this time I'm going to label it by B. Let me zoom out so that we can see it. Now, I will start drawing each one of these given equations. Let's start from D. We know that it's A, but let's see why it's not any of the other. Y equals 1 over 2 times x plus 4. This passes through A, but not through B. So D is rejected. Let's go with C. Y is 3x minus 1. This again passes through A, but not through B. So that's not it either. Let's go to B. Y equals 2x plus 3. This one doesn't pass from any of these 2 points. And finally, let's confirm that it's A. Y is 2x plus 1. There it is. We got the line that passes through both of these 2 points. And that would be all. Don't forget, if you liked, just like and subscribe.